Hello from my very loud, colorful nails. This is the freedom I have now. Okay. So my name is Denille. People just call me D. I am a girl from South Africa. I started this process back in October of 2023 when I came across Cecilia's video. I was working two jobs. So I had a 9 to 5 job dealing with patients every single day. I had to commute to work for 2 hours in the morning, commute back home for 2 hours in the afternoon. And then in the evenings, I had to work an online teaching job. And I was a full time student. And I did all of this just so that my family could survive. Um, those in the community know my story. They know that my mother had cancer since she was a teenager. So, all throughout my childhood as well, she had cancer all throughout my teenagehood as well. So, it was impossible for her to work. No company wants to hire somebody who's constantly sick, so she could not support our family. So the entire responsibility was up to my father. And then he got retrenched. With no valid reason, he got retrenched. So here he is having to take care of a sick wife and two young daughters, and he did it. He had no other choice. And as soon as I could work, I think I was 16 or 17, I started working. I started doing anything and everything I could just to help my family. And it always makes me emotional. But I never complained because I knew that is simply what you have to do. You have to work in this life. And that is the mentality that we all grow up with. This is what we are all told. And if you learn anything tonight, just know that that's not the case. You don't have to just survive in life. The last time I joined a webinar, I shared that for the first time, my family would have a Christmas tree because we never ever had a Christmas tree growing up. We couldn't afford it, we couldn't afford gifts. But last year we had a Christmas tree. January of this year was my first time on vacation with my family. We went on a cruise to Mozambique. You guys, I've just followed, I've just followed Michelle O'Neill's training. That's all I've done. She gives us daily actionable steps to take. The value this woman has given us. Honestly, she is a hero. She pours into us. In March, I had my biggest month ever. Michelle had a post and she said, I want to show you how to make $10,000 in the next 20 days. Do you trust me? I did not trust myself that I could do that because, yes, I was able to make $5,000, $6,000 in a month. But I was like, in 20 days, $10,000, Michelle, are you sure? Then I was like, you know what? She hasn't failed you yet. Trust her. And I did it. And it was my first month ever making over $10,000. And because of that, guys, I'm renovating my mother's house. Pretty soon, I'm going to be launching a brand new business, a family business that involves both my parents and my sister. My sister started the blueprint as well. And she doesn't even show her face on social media. She's simply following Michelle's faceless training because she's completely shy. And all you have to do in this business is just trust the process, follow her program. She's got an incredible support team. We've got incredible mentoring sessions, incredible tech support, an incredible community. You just have to show up and have a positive attitude. That's all I had since I started was a positive attitude. When I started with Cecilia, I was like, see, I'm trusting you. This is what I want to do. You will never hear a complaint from me because my family needs this. I need this. Guys, I started in October. By December, I replaced my teaching job and my 9 to 5. January, I fired my boss. So I stopped working that 9 to 5 that was draining the life out of me. I no longer have to commute for 2 hours in the morning and 2 hours in the afternoon. All I focus on right now is this business, my studies, and the business I'm launching with my family. And it has been so incredible. I've got customers from everywhere in the world, in countries that I have not even stepped foot into yet. But I'm excited because I've got a brand new passport that I can use and go to these countries. And I just want to say thank you, thank you, thank you, Cecilia. Thank you, Michelle. Thank you, Amy. Thank you, Tom. Thank you, Estelle. Thank you, Maisa. Thank you to everybody who's in our community. Michelle, the other Michelle, tech support. Thank you to everybody. It has been so remarkable. And I'm not going to stop. I've got so many customer testimonials as well. We're not going to stop. We're in this journey. I cannot actually wait to testify that I've made 30K in 90 days. Michelle asked me before to trust her. I said yes. Now I'm saying, heck yes, in, and I hope you are too, you guys. So whoever invited you to this webinar, get back to them and purchase. Start this journey. You will not regret it, but please be coachable and have a lovely day, evening, wherever you are in the world. I really hope you guys enjoy this webinar. So someone said they're getting teary. Me, but thank you so much for letting me share. I love it. Like when I started, I used to be a teary mess. Now I'm just so full of life. I'm so excited. And I just want to share this excitement and joy with everybody else because it truly changed my life. So thank you once again. Thank you, thank you, thank you.